Article 5 ఏమంటుంది సార్? Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Any person who is born in India, any person who is born in India at the time of January 26th, 1950 is automatically called an Indian. Is automatically called an Indian. ఇది చూడండి. At the commencement of this constitution, every person who has is domicile అంటే residence, domicile అంటే residence, ఎవరైతే భారతదేశంలో నివసిస్తూ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఇండియన్స్ అవుతారంట, రైట్. ఎనీ పర్సన్ హూ ఈజ్ రెసిడెంట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా ఈజ్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ కాల్డ్ అన్ ఇండియన్. అయితే who was born in the territory of India or either of whose parents were born in the territory of India, or who has been ordinarily residing in India for not less than 5 years preceding the commencement of this constitution is automatically called an Indian.